I'm gonna watch the news online. Breaking news. Oh no, not the blue screen of death. This better not be a Barney error. We interrupt your computer for a Carl Wheezer error. Carl was killed by Jimmy. Please don't turn off your computer, because if you do, your computer will crash. Please listen to me. Nope, I'm gonna turn it off. I saw you turn off your computer. Please don't do it again. I will play on my phone. You're not allowed to play on your phone during this error. I hate you, Carl. How dare you say that you hate me? That counts as a turn off. That's stupid. I will restart my computer. How dare you restart your computer? You are grounded forever. You will never have your computer back ever again. No, 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 no.